Munansiko General ELLY TUMWINE omu ku balwanirira gavumenti ya NRM okujja mu buyinza agenze okuva mu bulamu bw'ensi eno nga yawummula amaggye. Emikolo gino gyali wali mu bitundu by'embuya era yeebaza Mukama Katonda olw'okumusobozesa okuweereza. Katulabe nga bwe byatambula n'entanda gye yasibirira abo abamuddira mu bigere.
Hakuna. We are going to do even much more with even more freedom, with even more time.
Enkya ya leero eggwanga likeredde mu miranga olw'okufa kwa munnamagye General ELLY TUMWINE omuyimbi ate nga musomesa.
Official, open, public, for everyone to know that run our race, completed our course, and we are ready to go.
Mu Meeyi nga 18, 2022 yasinziira mbuya ku kitebe kya ministry ey'ebyokwerinda n'ensonga z'abazirwanako mu kumaliriza empapula ze ezimukakasa nti awumudde amaggye n'alambika ku ky'okuwummula.
But when you are still alive and the institution which you serve and the country which you serve officially says, oh, we want to say goodbye to you for the good job done. What a joy to have lived all these years doing what I love and loving what I do, which makes me do my best to let God do the rest.
General TUMWINE yeebaza Katonda okumuwa obulamu ate n'amusobozesa okuweereza mu magye ga UPDF.
For God to bless me by giving me life, as I stand here in Mbuya Hill and I look around the whole scenery from Lake Victoria up to where the hills all covered in developments, and that was even beyond what we envisaged.
General TUMWINE olunaku yalwogerako ng'olw'obuwanguzi n'okuwummulira mu kitiibwa n'ayogera ne ku ky'okufa awatali kwekeka.
We retire home, don't we? Every day. If I'm now saying it, I'm still alive. But I know that even when I die, at least I have a trail that I will be proud of, and I know many people will be proud of.
General ELLY TUMWINE nga kiba kizibu obutogera ku nkulaakulana ereeteddwa eggye lyaweererezaamu.
Uganda is now at a much better place to retire now to than ever before. There can never be anything better to thank God for. That you are one of those who, in whatever little way, you contributed to the transformation of a whole country.
Ababaddidde mu bigere General ELLY TUMWINE nabo yabawa obubaka nti baakusanga okusoomooza kunene okukola okubakira.
God brought us this far. He has kept us in charge of this country. We have built the UPDF. Will you keep the values? Now, here on that one, are you going to keep the values that made UPDF and NRAB who it is?
General ELLY TUMWINE ke yawummula amaggye yayasanguza kyazzaako era n'ayimbamu.
Now that you have retired, I said I'm going to preach, and I'm starting now, and I'm preaching to UPDF first. Adui akija, sisi tuko tayari. Adui akija.
Ekyokufa nga talema kukyogerako buli lwe yafunanga akadde.
And we are ready to go. And even if I died now, what has God not done to me?
Robert Kalema, Salt TV.